Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Today is August 29th. Looking at the overall economical calendar, you guys can see that we have job openings at 10 o'clock, consumer confidence at 10 o'clock. So check out to see around 10 o'clock if this information overall affects the market. Tomorrow we have GDP, ADP, a few more information coming out, home sales coming out tomorrow as well. Thursday, a lot of PCE information, and Friday, we have non-farm payroll and unemployment rates. So make sure you guys check these out. These are going to be the top two stocks I'm watching today. I'm going to be watching Tesla, right? Watching Tesla. You can see Tesla double topped over here around 245 and it's basically dropped lower down towards 237. We're looking at the 180-day over here. Right now, she is trying to get below the 180-day trade line. MACD is trying to cross down, but we have a strong support at 234. So definitely want to watch for a break of 234, which is going to be the one-year EMA. Once we break 234, I think we could have a clean shot to the downside around 226. I think a lot of traders are watching that to the upside. We got the 5-year around 241. Definitely want to be cautious around that 241 area with the 5-year sitting right here. So I would suggest probably going long around like 244.80. Once we break that, then we could start going up towards 250. So I have my alerts. You know, Tesla likes to trade in a range. So we need to get out of this range so we could get some clear movement on Tesla. Next stock, you guys already predicted it. It's going to be SPY. Looking at SPY on the 180-day over here. SPY is in a very major congestion zone, right? So looking at SPY over here, SPY is basically on an overall uptrend, right? We basically hit that 436 and has been trending up, holding above the 180-day trade line. We're getting some long wicks. If you guys seen yesterday's video on how to start trading as a complete beginner, long wicks to the top side, what does that mean? That means that that is a sign of stress, right? There are buyers, but they're not holding that price point. So definitely want to be cautious as we see long wicks to the upside. Watch for the break of 440, 444. Once we start to break 444 and we hold above this level, then we can start going up towards 445. To the downside, we're sitting right there on the 180-day trade line. So we need to break below this 442 zone. I think below 441.80, then we can start going down towards 440 flat. So let's see what happens with that. So let me just set my alert from there. And then of course, if we break 440, that's going to be the break of the 1-year EMA. And then we could start basically going back down towards this pocket, that 436, and maybe even lower. What do you guys think? Let's jump over towards the 1-year, right? That 1-year still has room to the downside. Right now, we are holding above that 1-year. I think we had closed yesterday above the 1-year. So I see that's a sign of bullishness, right? So if we close above the 1-year yesterday, these are daily candles, and we get another candle that close above 444, we could start trending back up. If not, and we start to hold below 444 today, 440 today, I'm sorry, if we start holding below 440, then we can start going down towards 436, right? 440 is going to be the break of the 1-year EMA. So below that is going to be bearish. If we start to hold above it, right, that 440, then we can start being bullish. So if you're a bull, you want to see a hold above 444, and then we can start going up to the upside and start basically pushing up higher, maybe even retest these 459s. If you're a bear, you want to see a break of 440. So major decisions to be made today, dropping down towards the 20-day. You guys can see that we have the 20-day trade line right here around 442. Right now, the 20-day is trying to cross down. So that is a bearish sign. If we do start to hold below this 20-day, maybe we could start flushing lower, right? That 20 days crossing down and it was overbought. So let's jump over towards the 15-minute. 15-minute is kind of indecisive right now. It's kind of basically in the middle. It could basically sell off to be oversold before the bell and look for a bounce. So definitely want to check to see how this 15-minute RSI looks closer to the opening bell around 9:30. So that's going to be it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you guys give this video a like, comment below saying made it to the end. Peace.